If you're experiencing audio desynchronization issues while playing Roblox, you can follow these steps to potentially resolve the problem. This guide will help you adjust your settings for a better gaming experience. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and fast. A poor connection can lead to audio and video desync. You can test your speed using an online speed test tool. Step 2. Update Roblox. Make sure that you are using the latest version of Roblox. Updates often include bug fixes and improvements. You can check for updates by logging out and logging back in or by reinstalling the application. Step 3. Adjusting game settings. Open Roblox and go to the settings menu. Look for audio settings and adjust the volume levels or toggle any audio-related options that may help with synchronization. Step 4. Lower graphics settings. Sometimes high graphics settings can cause performance issues, leading to audio desync. Lower your graphics settings in the Roblox settings menu to improve performance. Step 5. Restart your device. If the problem persists, try restarting your computer or device. This can clear temporary glitches and refresh your system, potentially resolving the audio desync issue. By following these steps, you should be able to address the audio desynchronization issues in Roblox. If problems continue, consider reaching out to Roblox support for further assistance.